Welcome back to the channel. Up under the Blazer today. As you see, the rear differential looks a little rough, it has a leak. Just took off the drain plug to make sure it comes off, check the fluid or whatnot. It does need a little bit in there. No metal shavings or anything on the plug itself, so that's a good sign. I'm gonna go ahead and snatch it apart.
Pin you talking about? You take out?
It's a big pin. It's like this. It's in there. This the pin, but you gotta like pull it. It's a long tube, basically. So yeah, that's what that is. Okay, we're back to the Blazer. So I got everything put back together on the SUV, and it came out well. It took a little bit longer than I expected due to the pan itself was rusty, and there was no gasket, like original factory type of gasket. It had like the kind you make, so I had to scrape that off, and yeah, that took a while getting that off. So, and of course, if you don't get that all the way off, it's not going to seal back up properly, and then it won't work. Now, I personally use the same type of gasket maker for actually a rear differential. Next time, I would definitely go back with the just with a regular kind of gasket maker, because the kind that was on here is the same kind that I use, but just so difficult getting it off. And the reason I pulled it down was because it had a leak, so I definitely didn't want to go back with the same exact thing that had it leaking. I didn't know that until I took it apart though, so now I know that part. But other than that, man, the Blazer is looking great. Of course, you know, taking care of it. Right now it has 148 on the odometer, so you know, not bad at all. Just basically trying to keep it maintenance. So we will have to take it back apart, unfortunately, due to the one of the wheels has a small leak. So of course that's probably about the seals and wheel bearing time to be changed out. They're not making any noise, it just has a small leak. So that's something that I can, you know, get taken care of down the road, because I'm not putting I don't plan on putting a lot of more miles on it, you know, before, you know, a couple months come around. So if it can make it another couple months, or maybe to the summertime, that'd be great. And then I'll go ahead and get that, just take it to a shop and let them do that part, because taking the pin out, and you know, I don't want to try my luck with the gears falling out or anything, then I'll be stuck, because I don't know how to put all that back together. So I'm gonna let the shop take care of that part. But on that, let me know what you guys think of the Blazer, man. It's looking pretty good. And would you do that job yourself? Would you take the gears out, you know, take the pin out and slide the axle out yourself, or would you let the shop do that? It's not that difficult to actually do. Like I say, you just risk that part where you take the pin out and the gears could fall out. Now on the Crown Vic, I did take it to the shop, and they couldn't even get the pin out because the screw or whatever holds the pin in, it was actually broken. So they took 2 hours just trying to get that whole part, you know, corrected and trying to get the pin out. So those rear differentials can be quite tricky, you know, if you're not careful, if anything doesn't go as planned. Well, on that, thank you guys for tuning in and watching the video. Make sure if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and all the good stuff. I was going to show you guys this truck because I was thinking about going with a lift on the Blazer, or should I just go ahead and purchase a truck that already has a lift on it? You guys let me know what you think. Other than that, thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next video.